What happens when you tell someone sit still one too many times? You get the Ekstrem Chair, a design that refuses to behave. It doesn't ask you to sit still, it makes you move, and somehow, even in the background, it still becomes the main character. This shape was born in Norway, designed by Ekstrem, a piece of the 80s that never looked like the 80s. Sculptural, playful, a little bit rebellious, made to change the idea of sitting properly. Today, pieces like this deserve more than nostalgia. They deserve a new chapter. Together with Varier, we restore what time leaves behind, without losing the original design. They are the manufacturer. We are bringing vintage ones back, so the original can be used again where it belongs. Stripped back, rebuilt where it matters, and reupholstered with care, so the chair can carry on a new chapter without losing its identity. Because there's no right way to sit on it, but there's a right way to keep it alive. From a corner where it was forgotten, to the workshop, to a modern home. Still Ekstrem, just rebuilt where it matters and reupholstered for a new chapter.